Schönen guten Abend, Teleflight, und herzlich willkommen bei einem weiteren Abenteuer von mir, dem RECHTE. Wir spielen heute Westerado Double Barrel. Das ist ein kleinen, wie soll ich jetzt sagen, ein kleinen 2D-Shooter, kein Call of Duty Shooter mehr, echt, das ist ein bisschen Jump'n'Run-mäßig. Ich gehe so, wir verlieren nicht viel Zeit, aber wir nehmen direkt wohl los. Ich spiele nicht ganz mit der Mann. Ich habe so niemand der Mann davon so ein Spiel gespielt. Das ist so voll da, weil ich hätte doch gelöscht gehabt. Dann haben wir die zweite. Zack. Charakter kann man um den ersten hören, the hero of the story. Skip Tutorial, nee. Wir wollen alles mit drauf kriegen, alles. Wir sind das ganz einfach gehalten. Walk, yeah. Yeah, ich gehen einfach, wenn ich so kann, mal bei der Ragon, dann wäre ich froh. Oh, also. Yeah. Junge, direkt du, was machen heute safe? Stören. Aber ein bisschen Pokémon. Good morning, son. Come talk. I've got something for you. Oh, guck, was die will. Your brother's going to hate the beef today. I like you to help him. Okay. Okay, ich muss ein bisschen normal schätzen. So, komm, dann gib mir mal helfen. You're a sweetheart. Here's a little something for the hard work you will be doing. Hate to continue. Your brother's waiting for you outside. He will tell you what to do. Jetzt ein bisschen so wie Gangster-Englisch. Ich muss noch ein bisschen was gucken. Ich merke, oh, shit. Ja, mal süß. Das sieht geil aus. Ist oldschool. Hast du mein Bruder? Hey. Good morning, little brother. Mother told me you are helping me today. That's great. We're selling our buffalo next week, so there's a lot of tough work to do. Are you ready to get to work? Yo. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Follow me, little brother. Let's hit some buffalo. Alas. Kann ich auch schießen? Nee. Oh Mann. Ja, schießt die einfach mal ab. Kann ich auch. You're back early, you as a brother. Go help out your brother. You can't just leave him to work alone. Scoot, Mom. Don't tell me what to do. Follow me, little brother. Alles noch ganz ruhig. Hey, Buffalo. Fürchtet mich. Ja, ich geh noch gut hin, wo ich gebe. Ich war schei. Geh drauf. Hopp. Alles einer. Ey, lauf nicht immer nackt, du. Ah, dumm Köder. Das scheint laufen nach. Gebt ab. Hurt the buffalo into the small pen by chasing them. Okay. Oh yeah. Zack. Nee, ich muss da zurück. Merd. Pseudo. Peter, komm zurück, ey. Komm mal hin. Bitch. Adult Swim Games. Ostrich Bandidos. Von Gottschalk, John Wayne, Charlie Bond, Witze, Musik von der das ist eine gute Auffassung, Datei. Ich habe schon lange kein Solo-Let's Play wie gemacht. Oh Mann, schon lange hier. Oh Mann. Was ist denn damit durchgeschickt? Musik am Untergrund. Oh no. Who's there? I met Coffish. It's me, your little brother. I'm glad to see you. A bandit came out of nowhere. It's gone blazing. Should have worn a hat. Then I could have taken the shot. He killed mother. Zop, what is Zop? The bastard. I'm not going to make it either. Brother, you're the last of us. Who did this to you? It all happened so sudden. I didn't see the murderer's face, but I know one thing for sure. As he stood over me in front of the flames, the only thing I could make out from the silhouette was his edged head. So, da werden wir noch kurz wissen, was den weißt, was edged heißt. Find uncle to the east. He will help you avenge us. Please, brother, take my gun and relieve me of my pain. Take gun. Don't be afraid. It's better this way. Nee. Okay, wat is goed zo? Take your brother. Find the murderer. Avenge us. Dit was leed, broeder. To the east. Stimmt, der Fehler kann ich gut gehen. Okay, das ist gut zu wissen. Ah, geht doch. Ey. Shoot log in case of emergency. Hoi auf, war doch nicht da. Ja, ich spiele ein bisschen gespielt, geil, aber nicht lieber ein zweit. Weil jetzt ein bisschen zu gucken, wie alles funktioniert. Zum Glück dürften Folge relativ klar, also von der Größe, von der Speicher, bla 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 hier, weil da ein bisschen mehr Grafikqualität ist. Mehr drauf scheißen oder das kann wohl. Kann man Fun Game halt spielen, ich noch nicht mehr gut Kriterien von darüber gelesen. Uncle's home. Who's that stumbling around in the dark? Nephew, is that you? Come in, quick! Ich finde gut täuscht euch, du bist in mein Englisch schwätzen. I've locked the door. It's been nosy outside. You look terribly pale. Come warm yourself by the stove and tell me what happened. You've made me worried. What's going on? You're a gun. Oh, mein Onkel, wer soll ich mich verhaftet? Lieber nicht. Someone murdered mother and found a brother. What? That's horrible. Darn it. Your brother always refused to wear a hat for protection. Where's your brother now? Der Schneewerk-Gefühl war die Hit am Spiel irgendwie. Ich ganz kapiert. I had to end his suffering. I'm so sorry. You had to do that. This is terrible. You better stay away from home for the night. Get some sleep in the bed upstairs. I will talk to you in the morning. So, dann gehen wir pennen, ne? Fehlt, dass du rundherum nicht kannst ein bisschen lesen und sagen, guck, komm ein bisschen schön. Ich schnell und spiele doch einen höheren Wiederspielwert. Wir trippeln an das Bett, wie es statt gehört für richtige Cowboy. Aber wir werden die heute Folge noch relativ klein halten, Tisch um 10 Minuten oder so. Vielleicht auch 15, mal 15 Minuten 30, das ist eine gute Idee. Ich sag, schieß jetzt in den vollen Hund. Morning, nephew, come over, we gotta talk. Verhalten sich leider all gut wie ein Arnold Schwarzenegger. What that scumbag did was terrible. I will help you find the murderer that took away your family. To find the murderer, you gotta help out people around town. When they trust you, they will be glad to give you information. Don't forget to keep track of people you talk to and the promises you make. Keep and check this journal if you're losing track. Add it to journal. Also, if you want to know more about handling weapons, come talk to me anytime. Now go to Clintville, the northeast. The sheriff or the saloon owner may help you. Good luck out there. Excuse-moi, was chasing him. Howdy, nephew. I hope you catch that murderer soon. Can I help you in any way? I got a question about my weapons. I want a new weapon. I need new hats. Got a question about my weapons. What do you want to know about? Shooting with a dryer gun. Yes, sir. Then you have to cock your gun. Cock. Got it. And then finally you just have to pull the trigger. But don't shoot while you're aiming at me. I will make sure not to. But when you're done when you're done, your best holster your gun. Good luck finding that outlaw. Okay, ich gehe so mal so weiter. Ta, ta, ta. Are you talking to me, bitch? Are you talking to me, bitch? Are you fucking kidding me? Ah. Not all your traveling needs. For all your traveling needs. Ich kann per schnell reisen. Okay. Cool. Northeast, so eine Federn. Ja, okay. North Clintville, okay. Also nur Löden und. Hey, mal Büffel. Bitch. Nur Löden? Du musst echt viel nur Löden halt. Du hast aber unbegrenzt Munition, soweit ich verstanden habe. Hold X to run. Gotta go fast, bitches. Was Zug? North Clintville East Train Station. Level. Clintville. Zum Glück aus den Allen nicht groß geschrieben. Das Kind nicht mit Clintville verwechseln. Wo ist denn? Founder of Clintville ist Clintwood. Wie geil. Hello there, stranger. It was you. Nee. Heard anything about ranch burnings? Well, not really, but information you might want to try the saloon. So schicke ich die Stimmen beibehalten. Der geht richtig schwer, gell? But in the news a lot about these parts, and the card players are quite informed as well. You can find it in the middle of town. Okay, what's do? Have you ever visited Santa Ana? Okay. Nope. It's far west past the desert, in the Westerado. It's located there. They make the most beautiful hats in the west. I wish I could work there. Und der schönste Marker gut auf meiner Karte. Und eine Karte. Ich keine Karte. Ne, ich keine Karte. Mal ging ich mal so lange mal in den Saloon. Ah, fresh face in town. Welcome to my fine establishment, sir. Can I help you? I'm parched. Need some information. Here's VVI. I'm parched. That is parched. I need some information. Well, you came to the right place then. Gossip flows freely here. Anything in particular you are interested in? Hier scheint es aber ein bisschen vornehmen wie die anderen. Heißt jo? Bei Mann heißt ja. Ja. Scheiß drauf. Heard anything about rates? What's the... What? Ich hab nicht gemacht. Heard anything about rates? What's the news in town? You know the folks around here. Heard anything about rates? It seems lately more ranchers seem to have trouble around these parts. Know anything about who done it? What type of trouble? I heard the old tycoon is buying up a lot of land. His ways seem most persuasive. His mansion is a ways out east from here. Well, sir, you got any more questions? Sure do. Anything particular you're interested in? What's news in town? Well, since oil has been found in these regions and the mine shut down, a good many things happened. Times are dire for the most of these days. Mine shut down? Yes, sir, the mine is well mined out, supposedly. Luckily, the oil fields are nearby, keep the town running. It's located north of town, past the church and graveyard, then heading east to get the old entrance. Well, sir, you got any more questions? Sure do. You know the folks around here? Sure do. Most of them are regulars here. Who do you want to know about? Sheriff the banker. He was once good with a gun, but doesn't get up too much nowadays. Rumor was his wife hasn't been very faithful for quite some time. You didn't hear that from me, though. I don't think he would appreciate me airing his dirty laundry. Well, so you got any more questions? I know the folks around here, the banker. He works in the north of town, next to the sheriff. Good with his numbers and such. Maybe a bit too good with numbers. Watch his hands. Though, he might slip you a couple less bills than you would expect. Well, so you got any more questions? No, so good. He's always ears in a public place like this, you know. Watch yourself out there. Okay, Spieler. Hey, cowboy, play a game of cards with us. Mal ging es so und dann stoppen wir nochmal heim. Und dann sehen wir uns bei der nächsten Folge. Bis nächstes Jahr. Ciao. Merci, nur gucken und vergiss nicht Like und Subscribe dort zu lassen. Hallo, ciao.